Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix SMART 8 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on system navigation, and as you can see here we've got some options. Before we'll set the gestures, a quick disclaimer about the 3-button navigation. Here you can also customize this system. You can tap on more settings and, for example, reorder the back button and the recents. Alright, so let's simply tap on the gesture navigation, and instead of actually immediately the 3 buttons will disappear. We do not have anything here. Of course, you can tap on gesture tutorial and you will go through it and learn. I will show you how to use the gestures in a second. We can enter more settings also, and here we can change the back sensitivity and voice assistant. Basically, I highly recommend to come back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be lower or higher. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center like that. You will see this arrow, so you can release the finger and you will go back, and the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, just repeat the gesture, however make it a little bit longer. So hold your finger somewhere here, like that. Okay, and there we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.